Hello everybody, my name is John Moses. Welcome to Road to Manhood. I just wanted to make a quick video telling you guys how if you got a 2006 Nissan 350Z, the lights are going on, full battery, but for some reason you're just not clicking over, you're not getting any turn. I'm going to show you guys how you can possibly fix it with just this 10mm screw and bolt. Alright guys, quick little story to kind of get to this point. We were at Cat Williams. We decided to leave the show a little early so we could beat the crowd. We get there, the car unlocks, everything's cool, sit down, get that first turn, everything turns on, and all of a sudden push the clutch in, nothing. I get no turn, no nothing. Frustrated, we have to get this thing towed from far away. You have to pay a little extra because the insurance only covers so much. This thing's already old and I'm gonna have to just, I don't know what, park it now because I just don't want to have to deal with it. Very, very annoying. I ain't gonna even try to take credit for this because I got a really good friend. Robert hooked me up. He was like, dude, I think I might know the solution to that. Let me find out. Long story short though, there is a little scientific term for this called gummy that is behind the clutch pedal that actually helps push down a little button in the back. This thing is known to actually just fall apart. As you can tell, it's old, so it went ahead and died on me. Well, that little thing caused all this drama. And Robert went ahead and just replaced this portion of it, which is obviously no longer there, with that bolt and screw item. Honestly, you can leave it there if you like, or just order one of these, whatever you choose to, but that'll work. Got this thing going, now it's running. Dude probably saved me way more of a headache and a ton of money. Appreciate you, Robert. Obviously, full disclaimer, go to your dealership if needed, but if you do this, make sure you put the top of the screw facing the button and you should be good. Like and subscribe for a bunch of little things. We do mainly camping. Road to Manhood is all about just discovering new things, growing together as a unit, as a family, as a community, and you see, I'll learn something new every day. Hopefully this helps. Peace.